I'm Lori. Welcome to my teaching channel. Today I'm going to talk about some quick and easy ways to make your videos come alive for your students. We'll be using the Windows 10 video editor found on your PC. It's a hidden program you might not know about. We will take a look at how you can find it and some great ways to use it. Now, if you're like me, do you ever wonder if this is what your students see when they see your videos?
Now today we are going to learn how to make videos for asynchronous instruction. That's A-S-Y.
If you're bored right now, so are your students. This video is part one of a series. Today we'll look at how to add media, how to add some titles to that media, how to add some 3D images, and then how to export that file to share with your students. Before I show you the how-to part, let me show you the end goal. And secondary teachers, stick around. There's more than just these cheesy effects. With a program that you already have on your computer, you can change your regular teaching video from this
1 plus 1 more
to this.
Let's add ducks. 1 plus 1 more equals 2 ducks.
Obviously, the little ones love this, but high school teachers, you can consider hiding an Easter egg somewhere in the video. Hide something and ask your students to find it for extra credit. Or have a special question in your video that they need to answer. So for example, in this video, how many ducks will you find? You can comment below. Now let's get to the how-to part.
To get started, we need to open the Microsoft Windows 10 Video Editor. The Video Editor is actually a part of the Microsoft Photos app, and it is Microsoft's replacement for Microsoft Movie Maker. If you have the latest Windows 10 on your computer, this free program should already be installed on your machine. The easiest way to find the Video Editor is to type Video Editor in the search box found in the lower left-hand side of your screen. Click on the Video Editor icon when it comes up. This will open the Video Editor. Choose New Video Project. Name your project. I named mine Counting Ducks. Now it's time to add our media, our photo and video files. Click Add and you will have several choices from My PC, from My Collection, from the web. There are also several ways to capture your photos and videos initially. If you are a newbie, one of the easiest ways to get video footage is by recording directly with your computer or laptop using the Windows 10 built-in camera app. If you record with the built-in camera app, your videos or pictures will be found in the From My Collection tab. For most of us, we will probably use the From My PC option. Use this tab to locate the photos and videos you would like to use from your computer. There is also a From the Web option. I don't typically use this option because I prefer to download directly from my favorite sites. The photos and videos that you have on your PC can be obtained in different ways. You can take pictures and record video using a cell phone camera, a dedicated digital camera, or an iPad or tablet. You can also download videos that you have created using websites such as Zoom, Screencast-O-Matic, Loom, and Screencastify, just to name a few. If a site gives you the option to download or export a recording as an MP4, that's the standard type of file you need, you can import the file into the Windows Video Editor and edit the file for free. The video editor also accepts MOV files. You can even export a PowerPoint slideshow as an MP4 video and insert it into the video editor to add some special effects and music. In part 2 of this video series, I will share some great resources for free stock videos and photos that you can use in your teaching videos. You can add photos and videos one at a time, or you can hold down the Shift key to select more than one item at a time. You are adding media to the project library. Once media has been added, you can identify the videos by the triangle play symbol. The Windows Video Editor uses a storyboard format. To place items in the storyboard, select an item by clicking on it. It will have a check mark when it is selected. And then click Place in Storyboard. Items can be moved one at a time, or multiple items can be selected and moved together. Pictures and videos can also be dragged onto the storyboard. You can also drag to rearrange photos and videos. To add text to a photo or video, select the photo or video by clicking on it. The selected item has a purple line underneath it. Click the word text. A new box will open. In the small box in the top right corner, type the words you would like to add to the picture. I wrote, "Let's count ducks." And I changed the font. We'll learn more about text options in part 2. Now, we'll add a couple of animated 3D objects to a video. Ducks! Did I mention I love ducks? Select the video or photo for the effect. I know I've selected the correct video because of the purple line underneath. Click 3D Effects. A new page opens. I'm looking for ducks, so that is what I type in the search box. There are no ducks to be found in Effects, so I try searching the 3D library. I found a duck. Click the 3D object to select it. When the object appears on the video screen, drag the object to the desired position. The box on the right shows some animation options. I choose one for my duck and click Done. I found that the program can be a little quirky with this feature, so it seems to work best to add one 3D object, click Done, and then start again to add an additional item. One more thing. Text and other effects can also be accessed by right-clicking on a photo or video. Remember, we'll learn more about text options in the next video. When you are done, you can play your new video from the beginning to see how you like it. The final step is finishing and exporting the video. Select Finish Video in the upper right-hand corner. You can choose the video quality. I usually select High. However, if you are exporting the video for a student journal sharing website like Seesaw, you may need to export it at low or medium size. When the video is finished processing, you are done. Now you can share your video with your students.
In the next video, I'll share some great sources for photos and videos, and I'll also share how to make title cards for some snazzy intros. And finally, I'll demo how to adjust and edit the photos that you do import into the Windows editor. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like below and stay tuned for part 2.